Good morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is actually morning and it is the first day of the week for me, Friday. So I have remembered to pick the camera up and I'm determined to try and make this week's viewing a little bit more interesting. I'm not here on my own this morning, so let's actually capture the fact that there are other humans in the building. We've got the lovely Catherine. Hello, good morning. She's busy packing all of your orders. They're all getting bagged up here. Elsa, this one is ginormous. Thank you very much. And we've got studio support in this afternoon or this morning. She is furiously crocheting away all those little bits that go into your beginner's kits, which we're going to get out to you today. We've had a very exciting delivery from Stylecraft this morning, which I've started to bag up, which is going to be for some new online Zoom workshops and kits, which I will get more information onto our Facebook page this afternoon. And I'm now going to try and get rid of all of this, which is all charitable donations that have come to us that need to go to the charity shop ideally, but can't because the charity shops are closed, so they're all going outside, and I'm going to try and put them on FreeCycle. So that's my exciting morning. Busy day, constructive day, lots done, lots of website updating done, lots of kits got together, lots of orders posted out, nothing else to show you. I'll be back tomorrow and I'll have a little helper with me, so perhaps she might make life a little bit more interesting for you. I'll see you then. Good morning, hello and welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is Saturday and as you saw yesterday I picked the camera up once. Let's see if I can pick it up twice today, shall we? I've got my helper here today, although she's not helping at the moment, but she is ensconced in a rather creative project. Hi. I have a family visitor. Say hello.
Hello, family visitor.
Who is currently sticking legs into my early Christmas present. Show me your Robin.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Keep him still. Oh,
and his legs
so
keep dropping off, so
good.
he's got two gluey holes in his bum where his legs won't stay put.
He's lovely. He's going to sit on my Christmas tree. As you can see, there's lots of parcels that I've already done this morning. There's also lots to be picked up, so I'm looking forward to seeing your smiling faces. I'm not sure shades really suit Simon.
He's a diva.
Diva sloth.
Yeah.
A diva that dabs.
Quite like him like that. This can leave him up there.
Put him back. So that's that. You did get an extra little bit of footage. This is the third time I've picked the camera up today. Saturday's over and done with. I'll be back on Monday. See you then. Good morning, hello and welcome. It is Monday. I'm wearing my lovely new cozy Tilly and the Buttons Nora. I absolutely love this top. It's one of my favourite makes. It is 20 to 10 on Monday morning and I'm all set up with my laptop here, ready and programmed to do the early morning live stream in my crochet bootcamp group. It's very exciting. We kick off today. I'm trying to think, I think there's 76 people in there, which is really good. In fact, we've sold, no, there's got to be more than that because we've sold 70 odd kits, and I know there's some people in there who are refreshers, so there's clearly people that still haven't made their way to the group, but we'll get them there slowly but surely. But that's really exciting. So there will be lots more lovely crocheters in the world by Christmas, which is a really lovely thing that makes me really proud and feeling all warm and fuzzy inside. What else have I got to do today? I have got to send out more of these lovely Stylecraft yarns to people taking part in our Zoom crochet workshop, and sadly Catherine can't be in today. She's had that dreaded call from school to say that her daughter needs to isolate. We all knew that it would come at some point. Touch wood, I haven't had it yet for either of my two, but yeah, so she can't make it in today, which is a real shame. But we'll hopefully see her on Friday. So I've got all the orders to cut and package, but I am looking forward to seeing more of your smiling faces in today, picking up your orders, and I will try and remember to pick up the camera.
To do it and suddenly turned it into a competition. I've been working for 2 years quite contentedly.
Can we say hello, everyone?
Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
Say say hi to BTHQ Banter? The dogs, there's loads of dogs today. Good evening. It's Wednesday. It's evening. It's dark outside. I haven't done nothing all day, but I haven't done anything worthy of picking the camera up. This morning I did the orders. You will have seen a very, very quick bit of our virtual craft club, which was lovely. There was 21 of you on today, which was great. If you want to take part in the virtual craft club, by the way, it takes place throughout lockdown on a Wednesday morning from 10:30 till 12, and you can find the link in our free Facebook group. So if you're not in there already, then the link to that is in the description down below. So that was lots of fun. While we were doing that, I was unpacking orders. I've had more kits delivered. I've also got in a whole bunch of Prim goodies and clips and useful sewing tools, so they all need to go on the website. There's some new kits in as well, which are super cute. Let me show you. More of the little felt kits, and I got these little gin bottles. They're key rings, which are lovely, and these adorable little slots. Super cute. So they've come in as well. So all of that's got to go on the website. So that's my job for this evening. And this afternoon, actually, I've been playing Nail Lady. Elspeth is still in my bubble, which is lovely. So I did her nails. We were playing with my new chrome powders, which I absolutely love. They're lots of fun. So I did those for her. We had some cake, and now I'm just literally finishing up, packing up a few more orders, taking them to the post office before I head home. So that's the end of another week at BTHQ. Nothing massively exciting happening, as always, but thank you for being with me. Thank you for enjoying the ride. I'm glad seeing my smiling face on the computer every day is making you happy. Keep safe. Come back next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.